In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the update via email feature in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser. Then go to the left sidebar and click the board where your item lives. Once the board is open, click the item you want to work with. That will open the item details, and on the right side, you'll see the Updates section. Now look near the top of that Updates area for the option called Updates via Email and click it. A small pop-up will appear showing that item's unique email address. You'll notice it ends with boards.monday.com. This address is tied specifically to this item, which means any email sent to it will be added as an update here, even if the sender is not logged into monday.com. Go ahead and click Copy so that email address is saved to your clipboard. Next, open a new browser tab and switch to your email client. Click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, paste the address you just copied. Give it a second to make sure the full address appears correctly before moving on. Now add a subject line. Type Design Mockups, Update. This subject becomes the title of the update inside Monday.com, so it helps to keep it clear and descriptive. Then click into the body of the email and type your message. You can enter. The final mockups are ready for review. As you type this, remember that whatever you write here will appear as the main update content on the item, so short and direct usually works best. Once everything looks right, click Send. Now go back to your monday.com/tab. The item should still be open, so stay in the Updates section and wait a few seconds for the email to come through. When it arrives, you'll see a new update appear in the thread. The subject line shows first, and the body of the email appears underneath it as the update text. That's the full process for using Update via email on an item in monday.com. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you don't see the update right away, don't worry. Sometimes it just needs a quick refresh. Click away from the item, then click back into it and check the Updates section again. That usually reloads the activity and helps the new message appear. A simple tip here is to use clear email subjects each time, especially if multiple people might send updates to the same item. That makes the update thread much easier to scan later. And since each item has its own unique email address, always make sure you copied the address from the correct item before sending your message.